Hey everybody, so today I just wanted to share a simple kind of open source tool available if anyone's interested. The link to the repository for this is available in the description for the video. But basically what this is a way to record your screen in LabVIEW. And there are a few different things I've found in the community for doing stuff like this, mostly using like print screen, right? Which basically is just clicking print screen repeatedly and pulling the image and building like a video out of that, which does work and it's very simple. You are limited in terms of frame rate quite a bit, so this is a much faster way to do that. So this is actually leveraging a C DLL, which so we'll see C++ DLL that someone in the community had made. So basically just created, functions for, screen recording this. So basically, event handling loop's really simple. Either you close the panel out and it's just checking whether screen recording's running when you do that or not. And a record option. So when you click the record button, you get this dialog that asks you for a .avi file, which is the type of video file we're storing this content in. Then we're waiting 2 seconds, and then this is going to minimize this VI. That way the VI doesn't show up in your screen recording unless you want it to. You can pop it back up. I'll show you that. But it's just, once, just minimizes it, gets it out of the way. Our actual screen recording is all happening here. So we're using this LabVIEW GDI screen capture DLL to basically do all of the screen capturing for us. And then we are using some of these iMac functions for working with those images. So this is basically our how we're creating our vision buffers. And then we're also using a queue to store those values and create like an AVI file, and we're writing those to the AVI file. And then, just closing everything out after the fact. So pretty simple. We're basically just waiting till someone clicks record, asking them what file, and then this all triggers. So we'll just continuously be grabbing image frames through that DLL. This plus screen capture, and then those will be going into a queue, and this AVI loop here will just be taking those and saving those to an AVI file. So when we run this, so really simple, we basically just have this start recording button. There's this video path, so the path that we select here will be written to that video path. Over here on the right side is where we're going to see what's being recorded. Right now nothing's being recorded, so it's just white, but we'll actually be able to see that live here. So let's click start recording. I get my, where do you want to save this? Let's do LabVIEW Screen Record. And I did add an extra E in there. All right. Hit OK, and this is going to go minimize. So we're screen recording now, right? So I can do, whatever I want. Pull stuff up, etc. I can reopen this VI. So you can see here we've got our screen being recorded. I can open this up and see. I can use some of these I can do like a zoom to fit. I can use kind of some of these tools here to create regions of interest. And this is all being recorded as well as I'm doing this stuff. So some kind of cool stuff. And when I'm done, I can click stop recording. So that's pretty much it for that. Let's go look at our video. So take just a sec to open our video. Here we've got our recording. Take just a sec. you can see there we pulled up our screen recorder, maximize that, and you can see kind of some of our interactions and stuff there. So really simple tool to set up screen recording. But yeah, useful if you ever need to be able to trigger recording automatically in LabVIEW. So if you've got like some test that's going on, and sometimes maybe you just want to capture, what's going on the screen at a certain time. Basically you can take this code and build it into your application to handle that screen recording. So if you're interested in this, go ahead. It's available in the repository included in the description for the video. You can use it however you want. In testing, so I've gotten this working reliably at about 30 frames per second, so pretty good. I mean, there are some things that run more like 60 frames per second. If you're needing something at that speed, you might need to do a little tweaking and playing with this to get it working correctly, but it is working very well at 30 frames per second, which does get you pretty good videos. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for tuning in.
Canon Controls is your gateway to mastering LabVIEW. Dive into programming for data acquisition, industrial communications, and manufacturing automation. Explore how to enhance your projects with cybersecurity best practices. Join the journey to elevate your skills and secure your systems with every episode.